Speak Up English, the key to success.
Olivia, you won't believe what I've been up to lately. I've been getting into English conversation practice.
That sounds fun, John. How have you been doing it?
Well, I found this great language exchange partner, Sarah. She's from England, and we chat online every week. It's been a blast.
That's a fantastic idea. Practicing with a native speaker can really boost your language skills. What do you talk about?
We talk about everything, from daily life to our hobbies. Recently, we even discussed the intricacies of making a proper cup of English tea.
That's quintessentially British, isn't it? Did you get any good tips?
Yes, I learned the importance of warming the teapot before brewing, and that milk should be added after the tea, not before.
Those are crucial tea rules. So, any funny language mishaps during your conversations?
Oh, plenty. Once I said, "I'm embarrassed with my English," instead of "I'm embarrassed about my English." Sarah had a good laugh at that.
That's adorable, John. It's all part of the learning process.
Exactly. And the best part is, we both learn from each other. I teach her some slang, and she corrects my pronunciation.
It sounds like a win-win, John. And it's great that you're taking the initiative to practice.
I'm loving it, Olivia. It makes learning English feel like a conversation with a friend.
Well, John, you've inspired me. I think I might give English conversation practice a try too.
That's the spirit, Olivia. The more we practice, the better we become.
John, since you've been doing English conversation practice, have you noticed any specific improvements in your language skills?
Absolutely, Olivia. My confidence has grown, and I've become more comfortable with spontaneous conversations. Plus, my pronunciation is getting better.
That's great progress, John. Speaking regularly with a native speaker can really help with fluency.
It's like a practical application of what we learn in textbooks and classes. Speaking with Sarah makes the language come alive.
I'm definitely giving this a shot. But where did you find your language exchange partner?
There are some great language exchange apps and websites where you can connect with people from all over the world. It's like a global language exchange party.
That sounds like a fun party to join. Any tips for someone new to language exchange?
Absolutely! Be patient, open-minded, and respectful. Remember, it's a two-way learning street. And don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Thanks for the advice, John. I'll keep that in mind when I start my English conversation practice journey.
You'll do great, Olivia. And you know what? It's not just about learning the language, it's about making new friends from different cultures.
That's a beautiful aspect of language exchange, John. It broadens our horizons and connects us with people from around the world.
It does, Olivia. And it's an enriching experience that goes beyond words.
Well, John, you've convinced me. I'm ready to start my own English conversation practice adventure.
That's the spirit, Olivia. Let's embark on this language journey together. Olivia, you know what's amazing about language exchange? It's not just about improving your language skills, it's also about gaining cultural insights.
That's interesting, John. Can you share an example?
Of course. Sarah told me all about the British tradition of afternoon tea, complete with scones, clotted cream, and cucumber sandwiches. Now I'm determined to try it someday.
That sounds delightful. I'd love to join you for an authentic afternoon tea experience.
Consider it a date, Olivia!
Speaking of cultural insights, I've heard that humor can vary greatly between languages and cultures. Have you noticed any differences in jokes during your conversations?
Absolutely! British humor is quite unique. They have this dry wit and a fondness for puns. Sarah shared a joke about tea that cracked me up. How do you drown a hipster? Throw them in the mainstream.
That's a good one. Humor really is a window into a culture's quirks and values.
It is, Olivia. And it's fascinating to explore these differences while laughing together.
It reminds me of the power of language and how it shapes our perspective of the world.
You're absolutely right, Olivia. Learning a new language is like gaining a new lens through which to see life.
Well, John, I'm convinced. I'm going to start my English conversation practice soon. Thanks for sharing your experiences and insights.
Anytime, Olivia. I know you'll enjoy the journey, and who knows, you might even discover your own favorite British joke.
I'll keep an eye out for those hipsters. John, you've shown me how language exchange can be a bridge to new experiences and friendships. It's not just about words, it's about connections.
Absolutely, Olivia. Language is a tool for understanding and connecting with people from different backgrounds.
I'm looking forward to starting my own language exchange journey. It's like a door to a whole new world.
You're going to do great, Olivia. Just remember to be yourself, and don't hesitate to share your own culture and experiences too.
Thanks for the encouragement, John. I'm excited about the adventure ahead.
Well, Olivia, let's celebrate the joy of learning and connecting through language.
Cheers to that, John. And here's to our future tea and laughter-filled language adventures.